Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is a continuation of the previous Git video for beginners. So in this video, we'll be solving three tasks. We'll be continuing solving our task, which is collaboration is the base of a component. Okay, so let me just open up my terminal and explain a couple of things. So here I am in the, if I print my working directory now, you can see I'm currently working in Git. So basically, a branch is like a copy of your project. So it's used mainly for adding features in development, collaborating on the same project with other developers, not breaking your entire repository, not upsetting your coworkers. The purpose of a branch is to isolate your work from the main code base of your project. So imagine you have a tree, a single tree planted by somebody, and you are coming to assist the person. So will you now upset the tree, or you just create your own branch where your own seed and fruit will grow in? So if another person is coming as well, he also has to create his own branch where his own seed and fruit will grow in. Okay, without further ado, let's quickly get into work. So here they said we should create a branch called update script, right? So we're saying for this project, create a branch update underscore script, and in this branch, add this following text. Okay, so let me go back. Let me go to my web term. So I'm in my web term. To create a branch, you make use of git checkout. This checkout is a code for creating a branch with a dash b that says branch and then the name of the branch. Update, right? Update underscore script. And I'll click on enter. So you can see that switched to a new branch. Now the next thing is to change my directory to bash following the instruction. I'll run cd bash. So I'm in bash now. So I'm to create a file called in bash to create a file called 98. So to create an empty file, you make use of the touch command, touch 98. So I've created it, right? The next instruction here is so in the bash update school. So we are updating the base and the school by replacing the test with this particular stuff here. Okay, so I heard people complaining about vi. If you like vi, you can do it with vi. You can do it with vi. You just vi the just vi and vi base and update what is there. Okay, update what is there. So here they say we should update our base by replacing echo base with base school. So instead of just base, replace it with base school. All right, the base school, base school. You save. So you save your file. If you read your file now, it has been updated. See, it has been updated. So we'll do the same thing for school as well. With VI school, VI school, then add the say being being bash and say the school is open. Okay, then we save our file. We are done for that, right? So the next instruction says add and commit these changes message my personal work. So please do not add here. Do not add your changes in the bash directory. Please change your directory back to Git by using cd double dot. Then in the cd double dot, then you can now run git add everything, git commit and with this message, my personal work. Let's see, my personal work now and run git push as I said dash upstream origin then the name of the branch update underscore script. All right. So here we are pushing our branch to the main. Okay. So the next thing is we need to check out to the main as well. So perfect. You did an amazing work. So oh wait. So you need to change your branch to main, then update the file again bash base by replacing base with this cool is so cool. Delete the directory gs, commit your changes with this message and push to the origin of to the origin. Okay, so let me clear my terminal. Okay, so I'm to check out to the main branch, so I'll run git checkout as well. Checkout main. So if your main branch is master, you type master. If it is main, you type main. Oh, so I think mine is master. Okay, so I'm a master now. Okay, so I'll change my directory to bash as well. Cd bash and update what is there with this cool is so cool. By replacing this with this to this cool is so cool in the best for the VI best again and replace this with this cool is so cool. Okay, all right. So I haven't done that. Change my directory again to git and remove js. So delete the directory js. So if I list my content, I have directory. So to remove the directory, you run rm dash rf js. The jf is gone. Then let's add our changes. Git add, git commit with the message hot fix. Then git push. Right. So let's check our code. So if you follow this step, congratulations, your checkers have checked. All right. So let's do the next task. Collaborate. The fourth one is collaboration. Be up to date. So the task here is For this task, all right. So for this next one, we have to go to our github.com. So you go to your GitHub as well, and where's the file again? This guy. So we are updating the readme.md, the main branch. If you could. So this is the readme.md. So we have to update this readme.md. So once you go to your github.com, you click on the readme.md. There is this pen icon that says edit this file. You click on edit this file, then you go to the next line and say, um, this is so cool. You can just add anything to it. This is so cool. Then you commit your changes. Just commit your changes. So once you do this, go back to your web term and run git. So you need to get all changes of the main branch locally. That is the README file you edited, right? So you come here and type this command git pull. So you are pulling all remote changes to your local machine. So you git pull, you can see it has added plus one. This plus one means um the changes you made on the on the remote repository. So you have put them to your local machine so you can work with them. All right. So let's go back to the next instruction. So the next instruction is create a new file up to date at the root of your directory. Now, this is the root of your directory. Right, guys, so this is the root of your directory. This is the root of your directory. So we have to create a new file called up to date. Now, I can use touch, but the file must not be empty. It must not be an empty. So the next step is we have to create a new file. Now this file we are creating has to have content in it. So to do that, I don't want to use vi, so you can just make use of echo since it's not long and say git pull. Let's git pull and redirect and create this file up underscore to underscore date. So if I list my content, I can see it's there. All right. So after creating that, add up to date to git commit this message. So let me copy this message. Control C, go back to my terminal and run git add up to date and git commit this message and git push. Now I want us to run a command. Let's check the status of our repository, git status, and see what is going on. Okay, good. Nothing to. All right, so let's check our code. So congratulations as well. The next one is done with all this. Done with the mandatory tasks, unlock to. Okay, let's unlock it and see what is there. Okay. So, what did you do? So now we are in the advanced task. Not really when you update the same file at the same time. So to illustrate that, please match the branch of this script to main. Cool. All my changes will now be part of the main. So cool all my changes will now be part of the main. So let's get started. So the instruction is as you can see, you have completed between two branches on the same file. So your goal now is to resolve conflict by using the version of the branch of this script and push the result to the origin. At the end, you should have all your work from the branch of this script, new file, and two of this file, and all the test main commit, new file, and everything without any conflict. So let's get to work. Now we go back to your stamina and change your directory back to the root. If you print your working directory, we have this. And the first command you need to do is you need to merge up this script. So to do that, just run git. Git merge is a command for merging two files, two branches together, for merging branches together. So the branch we are trying to merge with the main is update what is update underscore script. Enter. So auto merging conflict, merge conflict in Git based run. So merge field, fix conflict, and then commit till result. All right. Now let's make sure we are in the correct branch. So git checkout dash b. Let's check out needs merge. You need to resolve your current index first. It- All right. So one thing I want to get to understand is this: when you create two files, two branches, automatically Git adds a head file to it. So, and this head file, there's no command for resolving this conflict, right? The only thing you can do is manually delete this less than sign and all these tests here. Okay. So now let's quickly do that. Need to delete this guy, manually delete this guy. Just delete it. Just delete it. Carefully delete it. And let's vi paste. So let's vi school this time around. Okay, there's no conflict here, right? Yes, git add, commit, merge. And let's now merge update underscore script. See, it is already up to date. Now the issue is when you create two, when you update the same file, Git will automatically add a header file to that file. So it means, and in GitHub, in Git you cannot have two head files. The master is the head, so you cannot have two. Imagine you have two heads, so it doesn't make sense, right? So you have to manually delete the head um in the branch files. So let us push our code. Have I pushed it? Let's push our code and check. There's no conflict again. Now, how did I resolve this conflict? I resolved this conflict by manually deleting the head files. You see, congratulations, all tests passed. So you just manually need to delete those tests there, and you'll be fine. Okay, so the last one is never push too much. Create a git ignore file and define a rule to never push this TDR sign generated by email. So here, never push too much is the task here. All right, so let's do it. So we are to create a git ignore file and define a rule to never push. This tilde sign means home. All right, so let's get started. Now let me go back to my. Now here we have to define a rule that says never push to man, and the name of the file is git ignore. So you can vi dot git ignore apps, and I to insert, then you add this tilde sign as well on it. So after adding that tilde sign, you save your file, right? You git add and git commit and say just add this tilde sign to it as well. Then you git push. So let's check our code. Review your work. All right, so that is it. Congratulations if you follow through this video.